Hey, this is shawnshawn. I want to give you a tip on email. So email marketing is old, but it's still useful for artists. What I do is I do about once a month. You don't want to use, you might go twice a month, but I wouldn't push it too much because if you do it too often, you'll get a lot of unsubscribes. Another thing I would put on there is kind of like your upcoming art shows, maybe directions there, special offers on your artwork. I do painting tutorials on their links. I also do kind of book reviews, art museum reviews, and book reviews, so that really helps kind of drive interest besides just your art. You can also do like how-to guides and stuff like that for your audience that really keeps them interested. Another thing you want to keep in mind is scrub your emails. So if you have emails and you're gathering them and you're sending off your email letter, but you don't see them responding for more, like in 6 months they haven't opened one email, I would probably cut those emails off, because if you keep those emails, what'll happen is your email newsletter, whatever that is, like MailChimp or whatever you use, that's going to start marking your email as spam in those people's accounts. And then if you get too many spam notices from those, your whole newsletter will end up in people's spam folder versus their main actually in their email, so they won't open it. So make sure to avoid that by scrubbing those emails every 6 to every year. If they haven't really opened it, just kill those people off. You can send a one final email and ask them, hey, why haven't you subscribed? And just for those particular, and say, hey, do you really want to subscribe? Or you can unsubscribe, here's the button. And so that might re-engage them possibly, but I would just nick them off about every 6 months, a year, go through and scrub those emails out. And that's my tip of the day.